The Mario Badescu Combo / Oily Regimen Kit is a collection specially curated to brighten and rebalance combination / oily skin. It includes our Enzyme Cleansing Gel, our Cucumber Cleansing Lotion, our Aloe Moisturizer SPF 15, our Flower and Tonic Mask and a sample of our Seaweed Night Cream. Start every morning and evening using Enzyme Cleansing Gel followed by Cucumber Cleansing Lotion. Apply Aloe Moisturizer SPF 15 to clean skin during the day and use Seaweed Night Cream at night. Be sure to incorporate Flower and Tonic Mask into your daily regimen 2 to 3 times a week for best results. Enzyme Cleansing Gel, 2OZ, Mario Badescu's best-selling daily face wash. Infused with alpha-hydroxy acids and fruit enzymes to cleanse, brighten and gently exfoliate all at once. Cucumber Cleansing Lotion, 2OZ, a cooling, cucumber-infused toner that leaves oily skin feeling refreshed. Aloe Moisturizer SPF 15, 1OZ, an oil-free moisturizer that delivers soothing hydration without clogging pores. Flower and Tonic Mask, 0.5 ounce, a gentle purifying mask infused with antioxidant-rich Gardenia. Seaweed Night Cream, sample, an oil-free cream formulated with mineral-rich marine botanicals and plumping collagen to enhance skin tone and texture. The Mario Badescu Combo / Oily Regimen Kit includes the Enzyme Cleansing Gel, the Cucumber Cleansing Lotion, the Aloe Moisturizer SPF 15, the Flower and Tonic Mask and a sample of our Seaweed Night Cream A collection specially curated to brighten and rebalance combination / oily skin. Refresh, rebalance and refine your skin with a regimen combining some of Mario Badescu's most beloved products. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available this product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.